Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MRNS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes summarizing the price action today pretty straightforward. So if you say, Clay, look, summarize the price action for me quickly, I would say a pump and dump. Now, I'm not saying pump and dump in the sense of this company's being shady and running out of some, bunker in North Korea. I'm just making that statement based solely off of how the price acted today. And my definition of a pump and dump is that a price makes a really nice move, and then within a relatively short amount of time, the price is back to where it started, or in some cases lower. So let's first just kind of establish where all this started. And for me, it started when it broke up above a previous area of resistance right here at $4.35. If you go back through the history of the chart, you can see that this 435 area acted as resistance right there, acted as resistance right there. And a very basic rule in charting is when levels of resistance are broken, you want to see them act as support. So again, I'm going to consider that the starting point. So let's go through the definition. Price makes a really nice move. Well, as we just discussed, it started right there. It went all the way up there. I'm assuming we can all agree that was a really nice move. Second part, within a relatively short amount of time. Well, considering this all happened in the same day, once again, I'm assuming we can all agree, yeah, all right, this did happen in a very short amount of time. And then the final part, the price goes back to where it started, or in some cases lower. Again, where did it start? Started at that green line. Where did the price ultimately close today? Right here. And that is literally back, actually below kind of where it all started in regards to the breakout. Now, to be fair to the bulls, sure, I suppose something like this could happen. Maybe it'll go sideways right here and then start to work its way back upwards. And in that event, I'll have to eat the humble pie because, like I said, to be fair to the bulls, that would put a low right there. You'd have a low at that point. If you picture these as stair steps, well, hey, now you'd have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. But there's very, very little wiggle room for the bulls because any sort of continued separation of the downside literally just puts it deeper and deeper back inside of this range where it already was. And again, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements with true power don't go back to where they were. They're going to make progress forward. So we'll see if the bulls can do that or not. But things are looking pretty shaky right now. But maybe things will turn around quickly. Tomorrow, we shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.